Jump in the van and travel the land to catch the raddest local bands. Hopefully, Gig Watch.
Welcome to the first episode of Gig Watch. We're at Rumours for Thursday, Metal Night. Let's see what's happening. We're at Rumours on a Thursday night to watch Chromium, Conqueror, Borgasm, and Besiege the Enemy, and special guests. Who could it be? We're gonna go inside, chat to some dudes. There was a girl with a really short skirt who walked in. Maybe we can chat to her too. Besiege the Enemy, who are these guys, have just played and pretty much gave a whole load of metal to everyone in the West Rand. What's up, guys?
What up?
How was your show for Thursday night?
Amazing, man. Yeah.
Good crowd. Good crowd, good turnout.
That's West Rand metal for you guys. I spotted your moustache from quite a distance away and I just wanted to give you some love for it.
Thanks a lot.
They just came off stage. We had a chat to them about the gig. How was Rumours on a Thursday night?
It's always packed and it's always cooking here. I mean, our best shows are here. I mean, fuck, I had fun. They had fun, I'm sure.
I have a question though that's been bugging me for quite a while. Have you experienced a Borgasm?
I have. Tell them the my story when you had the Borgasm.
In which country?
I'm sitting with Ross and Pat and Toffee and Richard from Conqueror. They just came off stage. How was your Thursday night gig? I reckon you hoes did pretty damn well.
I'm pretty fucking hammered, dude, to be honest.
Are you here just to be hammered or to watch some bands?
Well, I came in Conqueror. Yeah, that's the one.
Were you in the pit for that shit?
Yeah. But not for everybody, yeah, everybody's back of the head. Happy.
That's how you know you've had a good time. Who are you guys?
We are Poison from Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are going to rock you tonight in Walter Vredenpark.
You that band from the 80s?
Yes, we are from the 80s, but
What can we expect from tonight? I believe you're a special guest.
we are very special, and we do know some people that are coming as guests, so that makes a lot of sense.
What are you doing here on a Thursday night in front of a camera?
Getting drunk, huh?
Are you a regular at this place?
Yeah, I am, huh? Bands kick ass, but beer's always better, huh? I love beer because it makes me fucked out.
Music. Delicious music right now.
Any music in particular?
I like booze.
That, in fact, was a woman. We're with the legendary Chromium on Gig Watch. How you guys doing?
Fucking pillar.
It's a banging turnout for a Thursday night, if you ask me.
Indeed, we just need some mash and it's all good.
Tonight, Ben.
I like bunnies. Bunnies are cool.
Who are you guys and why are you here?
I'm Sebastian and I'm here to get fucked up.
I'm Adam, and I was here to drink beer and listen to metal.
That's Gig Watch! Beer and metal, that's why we're here.
Hey guys, we are Deity's Muse, and we are really excited because we have a big show coming up. What show is it, Alvin? It's Cranked Up. Cranked Up on the 28th of September. It is going to be awesome.
I love Cranked Up, so better be there.
Get your tickets right now to avoid disappointment. Headlined by Dead Letter Circus from Australia. Got some amazing South African bands. Facing the Gallows,
The Narrow,
Newtown Knife Gang, Pestroy,
Deity's Muse.
Only Forever, Manners Machine Hokum. It's going to be insane. Get your asses to Cranked Up. It is going to be awesome.
I'm Steph, Jason, and we're from The Drift, and this is a shout out to Gig Watch.
Gig Watch. Gig Watch on MK, Wondergrond.
Gig Watch. Oh yeah. Hey.
Gig Watch. Just Gig Watch.
Gig Watch.
How's it? We are Borgasm and you're watching Gig Watch!
You're watching Dick Watch.
We are Besiege the Enemy and you're watching Gig Watch. Gig Watch.
Oh, fuck, I didn't catch it. Thanks for watching the first episode of Gig Watch on MK Wondergrond. We'll see you at the next show.